Hello traders, the title of this video is how to become a multi-talented Elliott wave trader. Let's get started. We are on the monthly charts of Superior Energy SVCS Incorporation. The epic is SPN Sierra Papa November. This is oil and gas equipment services stock, an American stock that belongs to the energy sector. And we want to discuss how to become a multi-talented Elliott wave trader. All right. So you have to understand what's going through the mind of an Elliott wave trader. An Elliott wave trader is the purest technical trader that uses the price structure or the wave pattern to forecast the financial market. All right. So from that point of view, we can know that we can state that an Elliott wave trader will spend his time looking at how the price is going down, how the price is going up, and try to figure out, all right, what is likely to take place next. All right. So without too much blah 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 from my side, we have a trending first. The price was trending here. All right. There was a trending first. And this is usually what usually takes place. And then we have what we call a sharp correction, a vertical price move down, almost bringing the price. Let's see how much it went down. All right. Bringing the price down to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. All right, that's the level where the price did stop, the sharp correction, pushing the price down to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. And after the sharp correction, we did not have a new cycle straight away, but the correction, the Elliott wave correction, became a little bit complex. As you can see here, it went up. Stay with me. Came down a bit. Let's zoom into it. And then it went up, if you accept that. A big choppy market here, and then it came down. And then it went up again. You may be wondering what kind of pattern is this, George? Well, now we know how to handle that. As I explained to you in the latest video that we posted at 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel, the title of that video was how to take your complex wave count to the next level. All right, check it out, how to take your complex wave count to the next level. So now, as I explained to trader in that video, what all we need to do, because it's too much blah 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 here, all you need to do is do like this, boom, and we want to label it one wave. So now the structure is making more sense to us, that we have 1, 2, 3 after the sharp correction. The price went up, pulled back, and went up. Okay. I think everybody will agree to that. And then one more time here, the price formed what we call a double top, a tiny double top. Can you see a double top? And also, I recorded a video about a double top and a double bottom, how an Elliott wave trader should be aware of those price structure when you have a double top and a double bottom chart pattern. And the title of that video was how to become a better complex Elliott wave trader, step 1. So here we are. So we know what we need to do. Now here it is. It came down one more time and went up. So what I'm doing here, I'm just counting wave, trying to figure out the structure of the price. So this 1, 2, 3 is telling me that it's a corrective wave. All right. Correcting this wave, this move down, and now we have again 1, 2, 3 down. That's a double retracement. All right. So as an area wave trader, that's what we do. Yes or no? We all try to figure out, count wave, and label waves. After that, 1, 2, 3, an area wave trader will say again, price went up. See, when we are talking about correction, as I explained to trader, you want to focus on the frame. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then use a vertical line to highlight those 1, 2, 3. All right. It will take some time for new traders to mature as an area wave trader. But this video is about how to become a multi-talented area wave trader. And we are just at the beginning of this discussion. And I'm going to get to the point soon. So stay with me. All I'm doing here, I'm just trying to behave like a typical area wave trader that does not care about the stochastic, does not care about MACD, does not care about market pattern, does not care about market geometry or anything else. He or she just want to count wave and use the area wave theory to forecast the market. That's what I'm doing here. But there is a bit of problem with that if you are just an area wave trader and you do not want to know anything else. Because the reason why you cannot just be an area wave trader, the reason why you cannot just ignore other trading tools is because one is not alone in the financial market. There are other traders using fractal patterns, talking about predictive fractal pattern. There are other traders using market geometry. There are other traders using Fibonacci patterns. There are other traders using normal chart pattern, and so on and so on. All right. So this is what, okay, how an area wave trader will be behaving looking at this price structure. All right. But in order to become a multi-talented area wave trader, one should use other trading tools to confirm or to maximize, okay, the efficiency of our area wave analysis. Am I making sense? So just to draw a line so we can see here there was a trend. So let's try to draw the first trend line. This is a primary trend line that was supporting the trend. Boom, 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 boom. You see here? So I'm just going to color that line into green. Right? You can see that as the sharp correction has started, a lot of area wave trader will be wondering, where is he going to stop? So price going down, price looking for a better support level. Look where the sharp correction did stop. It stopped on that ordinary simple bullish trend line that was at the beginning of the bullish trend. So will you agree that as an area wave trader, it will make sense after we are, okay, counting wave to use other technical trading tools to maximize the efficiency of our wave count? Will you agree that this is good? Look at it. It stopped the boom on the dot. So those who are just using normal trend line as the correction has begun and they see it hitting this level, they say this is a very important trend line that was supporting the price. And for many years, the price could not break below this bullish trend line. So it's a strong support level. So here we are after a sharp correction. As an area wave trader, you see, okay, this is a sharp correction. Now, where are we? That's the question. Where are we? We are at a very strong support level. And from there, the price went up 1, 2, 3 again. All right? So, now, talking about a multi-talented, how to become a multi-talented area wave trader, I'm going to do something else that we talked about before at the Pro Traders YouTube channel, talking about Fibonacci pattern. So we say the Fibonacci pattern, the structure usually like this, trending first, okay? Correction that does not come to the beginning of the trend. That correction, we call it XA, yes or no? So if you don't know about crab pattern, butterfly pattern, all right, go to dayprotrader.com, check the Fibonacci patterns videos by Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, the Gatley pattern, the crab pattern, all right, and so on. So here it is. So there was a trending first, followed by a correction that we call XA. So if you are an Elliott wave trader, you need to understand there are other traders that are looking at other pattern. Here it is, okay? So SA, and then the price will go up 1, 2, 3, forming the ABCD pattern. All right? Whether it is a Gartley pattern or a BAT pattern, and so on. So here it is, you can see Elliott Fibonacci pattern trader. We say there was a trending file, there was a sharp correction, and they will label this a sharp correction SA. And the structure of this price move, can you see that this is A? Can you see this now? Can you see that this is A? This point here, that's what I'm calling A. This point here, I'm calling B. This point we are calling it, okay, C. And this point here, we call it D for delta. So a trending first, sharp correction that we label SA. Now we go A, B, C, D. Now, suppose you are just an Elliott wave trader, you are just a subscriber to 24 Elliott wave, and you say, George, I don't care about Fibonacci pattern. Wouldn't it be nice, wouldn't it be useful for you to know also about the BAT pattern, the structure of the BAT pattern, the structure of the crab pattern, the structure of the butterfly pattern, right? So this is what's happening. This is a Fibonacci pattern. So now what I'm going to do very fast, let's verify which pattern is this one. 78% didn't go exactly to the 78% zone. Okay, if I move it down to the closing price, you can see that I went to the top of the shadow. Let's put it to the closing price, which I always do. So you want to check if you put it at the closing price, you have to put it, or you can check it also at the top of the shadow on top of the tendency bar. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm moving on because this is not about the Fibonacci pattern, but it's about multi-talented trading using Fibonacci pattern, combining Fibonacci pattern and the Elliott wave price structure, so we do not miss anything. All right. So now that I adjusted, well, it's 78%. Here it is, 78%. Yeah, it couldn't reach it also. So this price structure looks to me like a Gartley pattern. All right. That's the first thing that's coming to my mind. Looks to me like a Gartley pattern. Trending fast, sharp correction, while A, B, C, D. The Gartley pattern is completed here, and people are trying to sell it down again. And then again, it came down again. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3 again. And then went up 1, 2, 3 again. So this exercise, though some trader may say to me, George, tell me something better than this. All right. Which is fine. I'm just trying to wake the genius in you, the Elliott wave genius in you. So you do not go around using the Elliott wave theory in isolation by yourself, you know, because trading is a lonely game. Traders lock themselves in their home, in their office, trading. All right? They are loners. All right? Believe it or not, traders are loners. All right? So now you see it now that it's so important to have to be a multi-talented Elliott wave trader. But I have not finished yet. Let's continue the discussion. I hope you like this video. So the next thing I'm going to do now, so now I draw my first green trend line on my chart. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pick one point just at the top, this one here, and I'm going to draw a line that is parallel to my green line. Is it parallel? Looks like it. All right. So now color is also into green. Now I have a channel. All right. So this time, as an Elliott wave trader, we want to use what we call market geometry. So apart from the wave theory, the wave principle, the wave pattern, we are counting wave, but we want to, okay, use other technical trading tool, market geometry, okay, Fibonacci pattern, all right, trend lines, all right, normal chart pattern, and so on. So now I'm using a channel. So you know, we can draw this chart many years ago, since 2006, we can have this line on our chart before that sharp correction, okay, started. And look, something very interesting. As the sharp correction push the price down all the way, you can see the tail here. You see the tail of, am I talking to the tail of this candle here, where my cursor is? The sharp correction push it down to the top of that second green line, and it acknowledged that zone. You see, that's why we have a tail here. But as the price pushed below, near the first trend line, it bounced up a bit. Look where it did stop. It stopped on the edge of that channel. Pull back near the median line of that channel. And then it struggled on the top here. This was going on here. And one more time, it came near the median line of that green channel. So you will be counting your way. You'll be wondering. So now you understand why. Now you understand why the price was choppy here. Boom, 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 boom. It did not care about area wave 1, 2, 3. It was just acknowledging the median line, the top of the channel, blah, 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 blah. And finally, it pushed it out. That's why this move from here to here is just one wave up. But because of the market pattern, which we talked about before, you remember that? How to combine area wave structure with market pattern. So the price was just bouncing. That's why you have too many waves here, making it a bit difficult for ordinary trader to know, to figure out what's going on here. What structure is this? Price was just acknowledging the resistance and the support in this zone. Now let's go into the mind of a market geometry trader. So he or she at this point in time will start projecting that channel. So this exercise is just to bang it. I'm trying to brainwash you. Are we allowed to do that on YouTube? All right. So this is to make you laugh a bit, so that when you are using the area wave patterns. So now what I did, if you want to know more about market geometry, go to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel and check videos. There is a playlist about a playlist video about market geometry by dayprotrader.com. So we project it up, and here we are. Look here. When we were here, look at that. 1, 2, 3. It bounced well at that projection. So you are wondering, where is the price going? So you see here now, as an area trader, you see here 1, 2, 3. You say, well, that's 3. Now from a double top, you say, okay, that's what I just said before. Double top, just you can cover it. Double bottom, you can cover it. Here again, 1, 2, 3. Boom. Near the median line of that first channel. Again, it went up, bounced on the top of that channel, pull back again near the median line, as it did here. Near the median line, bounce again, near the median line again. Here we are. And as you push it here again, as an alien weight trader, you understand the price structure. 1, 2. Now you are expecting the third one, because you know why? The minimum price move is free. So as you reach this support level, you say priority to bullish signal above the median line of that first channel. And the common central line now is kaput. You will apply a top-down trading method. Careful, because you are near the top of that channel, or you may prefer to take it above that channel. So this candle here is close above that channel. Oof! A bullish trader will be happier to buy above the channel instead of trying to buy into the resistance zone. And as you push it, here we are again at the top. So your 1, 2, 3, you know where it's stopping, because you apply your market geometry. You know that this is a good resistance place. So that 1, 2, 3 hit the top of that second channel. So you say priority to bearish signal below the top of for this channel here. All right. Are you getting it out? Are you getting? Is it making sense to you that there are more work to be done apart from learning the area with you? Because some traders, what usually take place, some traders go to different strategies, which is good. They go with stochastic, MACD, and then they start applying a trend line, channel, market geometry, and then the next thing they say, well, why I should not learn about area wave? And those traders, if they adopt the mindset of a multi-talented area wave trader, they will make better trading decisions. Which means when they are using the area wave, they don't forget, okay, Fibonacci pattern, they don't forget market geometry, they don't forget divergence, all right, bullish divergence, bearish divergence, and so on, all right. So one more time, as the price is here, look, we were here, so we project it here, you go now, you put it up again, third time, let's see. Let's project that channel for the third time. Okay. Is it parallel? So that's where it is top again, look. So you see, you can understand this move here, this move, you see how it came down. It went a 1, 2, 3, pull back to retest the top of our second channel. So now we have our third channel here. And something was bothering the Elliott wave trader, technical traders, because they say, why we can't just bring it near the top? So after this move down, you see here, you push it near the top. You will see that sometimes when the highly sophisticated traders, smart traders, put their orders at a specific price, and those orders will be filled. All right? Because the orders attract the price. So they say, we don't want to buy, we don't want to sell it here, we want to sell it on the edge of that channel. So though the structure was completed here, this is just a reaction. So the reaction, we can cover the reactions. You see here, there was some reaction here. So as an Elliott wave trader, those reaction, price reaction, can confuse, okay? An Elliott wave trader can make the wave count complex or too complex, okay, to us. So you may be wondering, well, what's going on, George? Then when it becomes too complex, you want to simplify it using market patterns. All right? So here it is, you see the projection of the channel, how helpful it was for an Elliott wave trader. Here it is again, it came down 1, 2, 3. Now let's apply again. So now we go below, it went below the price. We project it one more time. Here we are. Where are we now? That's the question. That's a very good question, okay? Always ask that question. Where are we now? Okay? If you know where you are, you will make better trading decisions. It's all about location, 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 location. So now that we project that first channel, you remember that this is just the channel that we draw from the beginning. And you see how useful that channel was for us as an Elliott wave trader. That channel was helping us to maximize the efficiency of our Elliott wave count. So because we are an Elliott wave trader, like I said to trader before, we are like a surgeon. We want to dissect the price, go look inside the price or look through the price to understand every minuscule price structure, so we can know where are we and where are we going. All right. Now that we combine, we decide, we try to adopt the mindset of a multi-talented Elliott wave trader, decision become clearer, so you can ascertain that, all right, that 1, 2, 3, it makes sense. Oh, what has happened here? Why you formed that double top? Now it makes sense. 1, 2, 3 again. Near the median line, where are we? Where are we going? That's the question. Here again, 1, 2, 3. Here, where are we? Where are we going? 1, 2, 3. Here we are. This is where we are now. All right. Let me know whether this is another blah 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 from my side or whether you find it useful or not. Okay. And feel free to disagree with my wave count in this tutorial. Okay, that's fine. So now we have our last channel, which I put here for this stock SPN, American Stock Superior Energy SVC Incorporation. Now here we are. So price went down now. So that 1, 2, 3 is now stopping at this. You see that channel that we are projecting. So market geometry is so powerful tool. You see here that we just project below. That's why this stop at 1, 2, 3. So you want to know the price target, use market geometry. In fact, the market geometry allows traders to pinpoint the best reversal point. Here it is. Boom. All right. On a dot. So you as an Elliott wave trader, you see, okay, 1, 2, 3. This is a correction. So we have a sharp correction. Correction is not finished here. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3. Price trying to find its way. So market is like a discussion going on where what is in store for this stock? That's the question. So now here it is again, 1, 2, 3. But now with the market geometry, it's becoming clearer to us. As an Elliott wave trader, we are seeing it clearer, okay? So you think that, George, you have finished down, but there is one more thing. So we talk about Fibonacci traders, we talk about market geometry traders. Now I'm going to talk about Pitchfork tool traders. All right, and you will see again one more time that is so important, because as I explained to you at the beginning of this year, 2017, that our number one priority this year is to guide traders to mature, okay, or to become a better Elliott wave traders. And so they may avoid, okay, Elliott wave trading mistakes, and also, all right, they may adopt, okay, the mindset of a multi-talented Elliott wave trader. So now let's combine the Elliott wave theory with, okay, so because the most difficult part of the Elliott wave trading, as a lot of traders were putting it to me, because trader asked me last time, Joe, can you record a video about, okay, counting wave during the consolidation? This is a very, very important question, because the difficult part of the wave count is not the multi-wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's when we are dealing with the corrections. So when one is dealing with the Elliott wave corrective waves, one must adopt the mindset of a multi-talented Elliott wave trader. Critical. So now what I'm going to do, here we are, I'm choosing one point. So one more time, you want to know more about market geometry, go to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. You want to know more, okay, about Fibonacci pattern, go to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. You want to know more about Pitchfork tool trading strategy, using Pitchfork tool trading strategy, well, go to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel again. So here we are. So here, how do we draw the Pitchfork tool? 3 point. Yeah. So when I'm using the Pitchfork tool, I told trader I put it all the way to the top of the shadow. I usually do that. Okay. So first point, second point, a third point. Price goes up, A to B, pull back without coming to the starting point. We have a 1, 2, 3 point. Now with those 3 points, we can draw a Pitchfork tool. And here again, you can see that those Pitchfork tool traders, most neglected technical trading tool, you can see again, here again, 1, 2, 3, boom. So market geometry traders saw that there is a resistance here, and Pitchfork tool traders know that there is a resistance here. As an Elliott wave trader, you count your wave. Now you want to know also there is a resistance here. Otherwise, you may be, okay, making a wrong decision on the edge of the median line or the Pitchfork tool. So again, it came down 1, 2, 3, pierce through it. As I told trader, we can divide each half of the Pitchfork tool. And then again, if we project that half, second half, I mean, so this is the upper half, second half, and we project it down, put it here, and we draw a line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool, parallel to the Pitchfork tool. Is it parallel? If you accept that, look again. That line that I draw now that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool, dividing the second half of my Pitchfork tool into 2, and using each another half of it. Okay, project it down, and look, that's where we are again, and on the edge of that. Okay, project it down again. Let's bring you again here, drawing a line that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. So is it going to count down 1, 2? Okay, so now, now we are here 1, 2, 3. Is it going to bring it all the way to the edge of this one now? All right. Now you see now. So the Pitchfork tool for an Elliott wave trader is a very useful tool that one should use. Okay. So you may say to me, George, I get it now, George, shut up, please. One more thing, okay? So I'm going to use it one more time, the Pitchfork tool. Again, this is the question I say to the traders to ask all the time. Where are we? Where are we going? Okay? Anytime you are looking at a chart, ask that question. It's a magic question. No. Okay, now again. 1, 2, 3, pitchfork 2. Here again. If you divide this half into 2, you can see the bounce, pew, to the edge, or that half pitchfork 2, you see here? Pew, to the edge. So do you think that the pitchfork tool can also be a useful tool for an area weight trader? See here? And then it bounced up almost to the edge of that pitchfork tool, came back almost near the median line before it popped out, running away. And then one more time we can follow it, okay, by projecting again each half as I'm doing here, and then just project it. This is just multi-talented trading projection. You don't want to miss it. You just want to know where you are. This is it. Where are we? Where are we going? That's the question. And then you project it again. Boom, up. And now you can see that projection is bringing us exactly here. Let me adjust that line. So will you accept that this is a very useful for an area weight trader? You see here, again we project it. That pitchfork tool we divide into 2, and then we just project each half. And so you see what's going on now? Can you see it? All right. Okay, one more thing, and then we wrap it up because I think you are getting tired now. Are you? Okay, you want us to make a 2 hours video? No. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, one more time, we're going to use the pitchfork tool. It's all about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. As an area weight trader, you want to use the pitchfork tool. So what I'm doing here, price went down and bounced out without going to the starting point. Can we use the pitchfork tool? Yes. Here it is. See here? Bounce up near the median line again, went to the top, now again almost to the edge, now again we are on the edge hanging here. Nothing should stop us to divide our own pitchfork tool because it's our own pitchfork tool. We don't have to answer to anybody else. And game on again. We can project, okay, the whole, this half completely like this, or each half like this. One step at a time, following the price without assuming anything. I think you have okay, got the message now, and you will try your best, okay, hopefully, fingers crossed, all right, to become a multi-talented area weight trader. To summarize this video, an area weight trader is a technical trader that focuses on the price structure. However, in order to become a multi-talented area weight trader, one must combine, okay, the area weight pattern with the market geometry, the pitchfork tool, the Fibonacci pattern, trend lines, all right, and normal chart pattern, in order to become, okay, a fully fledged, okay, all right, technical trader that is firstly, okay, an area weight trader who is not, okay, neglecting other technical trading tools. This is the end of this tutorial, all right. If you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. Happy trading to you all, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about how to become a multi-talented area wave trader. Speak to you soon.